Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to either hide or allow your username and email to appear on the Windows 11 lock screen. So if you want to hide your email from appearing, in today's tutorial I will show you guys how to do that, and we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it. And we're going to start off by right clicking on the Windows Start button, and we're going to select Settings. Go ahead and select the Accounts option on the left side here, and then on the right side scroll down and select Sign In Options. Go down to near the bottom of this page where it says Show Account Details such as my email address on the sign in screen. If you want to enable that, you would turn it on, so allowing your email address to be shown. Otherwise, turn that off so it will not display your email address, and we just go back to your username. So again, pretty straightforward process there, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.